Okay, people, today we are changing blades on a Kubota L185. The reason I'm doing this video is because to change the blades I thought required a lot more than what it does. Just remember, if it has an L in front of it, it's a left-hand threads. And even when you take the bolt out of when you take the blade off, it'll have an L on the underside of the bolt for left-hand thread. So this is going to be quick, because when I first did this, I thought I had to take the whole spindle off. And believe it or not, this time last year on a different walk behind, I did do that. And it just cost me days in not knowing what I'm doing. And I come to find out you can't Google everything. Some things you're going to have to find out, like I found out on my own, and pay the price at times. But anyway, so here we are. Spindle's still on. Everything's in place. Belt's still on. Nothing has to come off. You come up underneath. I already have a socket on it. Now, these woods, for the most part, I believe they're pretty much, these belly decks, pretty much the same size bolt that holds these blades on, which are a 24 millimeter. But there's a lot of wear and tear under here. You know, the blade, I have sunflower seeds in my mouth in case anybody's wondering. With all that wear and tear, sometimes the head of these bolts will get bumped around, and, you know, depending on how old the machine is. So actually, I pounded on a 23, as you can see. I know 24 took off the other end, and 23, because this is so bumped up and maybe even rounded from other times we tried to replace these blades. But that's it. I used a little heat. You don't, like I said, left. Looking at the angle I'm on, it would be clockwise to, let's see. Okay. It's going counterclockwise to loosen. You know, normally it would be the opposite. So that's it. Remember which way the blade goes when you take it off. A little heat, propane heat. You don't need to break out the acetylene torches. It's just simple. I had a different, I didn't have propane. I had a MAP. It's called MAP gas. You can get it at any Napa. It heats up better than propane, but not as hot as torches. So that's it. Put a little heat to it, a breaker, about a 4-foot breaker. Bang, bang, little hammer, bang. That's it. It's out. All right, hope that helps somebody out. You just need to take the bolt off the bottom. Later.